Hey everybody! Welcome to the Let's Excel channel. Today's video is number 9 of an 11-part mini-series designed to give beginners like you quick tips that you can implement right now to start working smarter and not harder. Before we begin, there's another video on the channel that you might find useful as well. In that video, I show you how to view multiple windows for different tabs in the same file. Check it out after this video. The 9th tip I'm going to share with you is the keyboard shortcuts for copy and paste. This one, considered trivial by experienced Excel users, can be used in other Microsoft applications as well as 99.9% of other computer applications. These shortcuts will save you precious time because those seconds spent right-clicking really add up if you're a heavy Excel user. First, replace your right-click copy sequence with the keyboard shortcut Control-C. Second, replace your right-click paste sequence with the keyboard shortcut Control-V. Don't believe it's that much faster? I'll prove it to you in real time. I'm going to use the right-click copy method to copy these 3 cells to these 3 cells. Then, I'll do the same thing using keyboard shortcuts. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'm going to reset the timer and do it with the keyboard shortcuts. Ready, set, go. See the difference? If you make it a habit, I guarantee you'll see and feel yourself working faster. And if you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so that I can help you work smarter and not harder.